Good morning, everybody. So, this is going to be a nice, quick and sharp intro. I've been challenged to burp the alphabet. Never done this before. I can't even remember the last time I recited the alphabet, so it might take me a few attempts to remember the order of the letters, but we're going to try this anyway. So, it's another early morning burp session, man, where for some reason I always struggle first thing in the morning. It always makes me feel sick, man. So for all we know, I might be sick. We don't want that. But anyway, let's get started. So, what does the alphabet begin with? It begins with A, B, C. Oh God. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Oh, okay. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Oh. L, M, N, O. Oh, I doubled up on a few then because some weren't to the quality that I wanted them to be. What was I on? O. Oh God, I feel sick. O. B. Oh. Oh God. Q. That's. Oh Christ. Oh man, I think I got a bit of wind trapped. Hang on. Let me get back into king mode. D U V W X Y Z. Oh, bit of dribble there. Oh.